Have you ever wondered how to build your own AI? Imagine having the power to create a digital mind, a machine that can learn, adapt, and evolve. But how does one even begin such an ambitious endeavor? Fear not, it all starts with understanding AI processors, the brains behind the brawn. We're about to embark on an enlightening journey, peeling back layers of complex technology to reveal the core of artificial intelligence. Well, today, you're in for a treat because this video will show you how. Before we start, it's essential to understand what AI and AI processors are. Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines. These processes include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. In essence, AI is all about creating machines that can think and learn like us, humans. To achieve this, AI relies heavily on algorithms, which are step-by-step instructions for solving a problem or completing a task. These algorithms enable AI to mimic human intelligence and perform complex tasks efficiently. Now let's talk about AI processors. These are specialized chips designed specifically to accelerate AI computations. AI processors are the powerhouse behind AI, speeding up the number crunching and data processing that AI algorithms require. They're built to handle large amounts of data and perform complex calculations at lightning speed, making AI more efficient and effective. Now that you have a basic understanding of AI and AI processors, we can dive into the process of building your own AI. Building your own AI may seem daunting, but it can be broken down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Step 1 is selecting an AI processor. This is the brain of your AI system. There's a range of options available, from NVIDIA's Jetson series to Google's Coral Edge TPU. Your choice will depend largely on your project's needs and your budget, so do your research. Next, you'll need to program your AI.